Good afternoon, everyone. I present your attention the work of Replace Common Parameters plugin. Common parameters are a complex topic for Revit, and we are using them to have them in families, but afterwards in our own projects we get this information from the general parameters from the specification or the brand. It's often the case that each has some common parameters, and for example, when we download a family from the internet, it already has some sort of set of common parameters. But they are not suitable for outputting this specification information by our pre-configured template. That's why the plugin Replace Common Parameter was developed. What technically creates this plugin? This plugin allows you to batch add new generic parameters from your generic file parameters and take the value from the previously specified into the new one parameter. Thus, so we don't break the family and we get the values in our parameters that we need. Let's get to the point. Right now I have an open family and it has one common parameter called market. It's got some kind of brand, but I want to in my project use another common parameter and respectively to output to it mark 500 information. I'll use the plugin for that. Run the plugin replace parameters, and in the window that opens I have a list of general parameters appears that we have in the current family or in the nested ones. Next, I need to select a new parameter that I want to replace the existing one for. Let that be new mark. Accordingly, if I don't want to, for example, replace it, I just want this parameter to become a family parameter. I can just check the box here, but in this case, I want to do a substitution. After that, I click Done. Let's see what we've changed. Let's go into the family parameters and see that we have into the same group with the original parameter. Our parameter was added, and most importantly, his formula had the name of the old parameters. So in our new parameter, we've got these values. We're gonna use them in the marks and in the specification. So we didn't break the family, but we made this substitution of our parameters. Accordingly, this plugin works with both the active family and with families in the selected folder. To do this, in the plugin window, you need to specify that the plugin will run on families from the selected folder and select that folder accordingly. In this way, the plugin will handle not one family, but all the families that you have in the specified folder. That's it for now. Thank you everybody, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and in the description of the video you can find the download link for the plugins with a free 2-week trial version. Bye everybody.